Looks like freedom. Isn't. Your banking app? Oh yeah, you can move your money until you need to get a verification code while you're abroad. Your stonks platform? Oh yeah, sure. You can keep selling until the market panics and then they gray out your sell button. Your crypto exchange? Great trading user experience until they pause your withdrawals. Everything works right up until you need it to work the most, and then it doesn't. That's not freedom, that's access. And access can be revoked. Convenience is just control with better UX. Sovereignty means no pause button, no middleman, no ask first. The system does not get a say. Sovereignty means you are in the driver's seat. It isn't control, it's choice. It is the responsibility of our times. Keys, custody, clarity. This is 90 Seconds to Crypto, where we help off-chain luddites become on-chain sovereigns. Each week, we share the tools and mindsets to helping you stay free before it's too late to even care. My name is Tim, and if you cared enough about this message, might I suggest you to first start off by understanding why self-custody is so important by watching this video here. That's it for now. Peace.